So I've been thinking.
That's dangerous.
Well, yes, but this is a good idea.
Okay, what do you got?
I think we should change the name of the channel.
Why in the world would we do that?
Well, why did we call it Rooster Like TV in the first place?
I wanted a place where we could dump all of our film projects that we were working on. Kind of a catch-all into a window of what we do for fun. As for the rooster part, well, our last name means rooster in German. Just don't translate a whole lot, it gets kind of weird.
Right. But you know what we mostly do on this channel?
Automotive.
Exactly. I think we should change the name to better reflect that.
Okay, I'll bite. What do you got?
Well, first I thought Rooster Garage. But there's already a few channels out there with that name, and I want to avoid the confusion. Now, you started a fabrication business recently, right?
Yeah, Solar Rooster Fabrications. What does that have to do with this?
What if we base the new channel name off of that?
Well, I don't want to copy the name exactly. I'd like some separation there.
Right. I was thinking we use the solo rooster part.
But there's two of us.
I'm going to pretend like you didn't say that. Anyway, Solo Rooster Automotive? Nah, too many syllables. Solo Rooster Shop? Doesn't roll off the tongue very well. Solo Rooster
Garage.
Okay, we changed the name. Now what?
We make some new merch, update the website, and keep doing what we've been doing.
Sweet. What should we do to celebrate?
It's the 4th of July. Want to blow some stuff up?